Valuation is an art, and very respectfully, I believe that we must not title valuation as science. Because if I'm going to be valuing company X as compared to company Y, based in so and so country, having so and so business model, then the way I'm going to be value is different as compared to the way I'm going to be value this so and so company. The most important thing I always feel when it comes to valuation is the accounting understanding of the company. Because why I used a word accounting understanding of the company. Now, first of all, we must understand that different companies have different business models, and I respect all. Some companies are closing their books in US GAAP, while some close their books in IFRS. On the contrary, some close in the local GAAP. In so and so place they work. And some close in local GAAP, also in US GAAP and in IFRS. We must understand that until otherwise we have a strong understanding of the accounting, then the valuation is based on few and few assumptions. So example, I know that whenever company makes a profit, a part they give as a dividend and balance they kept in the equity in the form of reserves, which might be used for merger and acquisitions, some integrations, or probably new research and development that the company take a call. So suppose somebody asks me to value the net worth, then my understanding is very clear and straightforward that net worth, first of all, is the concept which holds multiple definitions. Of course, this is the concept which it is not as yet settled. That's a very hard reality of life, that the concept of net worth not settled, because different people have their different formulas, and I regard majority of that formula. So when I calculate net worth, I have my own formula to compute net worth. And when I compute using my formula, the one important component that comes into picture is the retained earnings. That how much I save as an organization for a future period. But for a loss-making company, the retained earning is always negative. For a profit-making company, it is always positive. Now, when I compare the two companies, say X and Y, then the most important thing, how I am going to be handling these retained earnings in the valuation.